Good evening, Sir Mabini. Today I'll discussing the Philippine president from Ramon Magsaysay to Ferdinand Marcos Jr. So first is Ramon Magsaysay successfully suppressed the Mokbalahab rebellion, restoring peace and stability in rural areas. And the second is Carlos P. Garcia to 1957 to 1961. Championed the Filipino First policy promoting Filipino business and industries. And third is Diosdado Macapagal, 1961 to 1965. Established the Agriculture Land Reform Code aimed to redistributing land to landless farmers. And the fourth is Ferdinand Marcos, 1965 to 1986. Initiated extensive infrastructure development projects including roads, bridges, and public buildings, through marred by corruption and cronyism. And fifth is Corazon Aquino to 1986 and 1992. So oversaw the drafting and ratification of the 1987 Constitution, restoring democratic institutions after years of martial law. And sixth is Fidel V. Ramos, 1992 and to 1998. Implement economic reforms that lead to a period of sustained economic growth and stability. And seven is Joseph Estrada, 1998 to 2001. So, launch programs to address poverty and provide affordable housing. And 8 is Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, managed to sustain economic financial crisis with a focus on structure and tourism. And number 9 is Benigno Aquino III, pursued good governance and anti-corruption, entities resulting in improved transparency and international recognition. And the 10 is Rodrigo Duterte, 2006 to 2022. Launched a massive infrastructure program aimed at modernizing the countries. And last is Ferdinand Marcos Jr. 2022. Key accomplishment focus on economic recovery and good security amidst global challenges. So that's all to all presidents here in the Philippines. Thank you.